Hi friends, this is our chapter 1. This is their name, and this is two example of chapters. Let's see. The diameter of Jupiter is 1,42,800 किलोमीटर. ओके, जुपिटर की जो डायमीटर है वो 1,42,800 किलोमीटर है. Next example is the distance of the moon from the earth is 3,84,400 kilometer. Okay, and there is right, we come across long numbers in our daily life. We have already learned about numbers up to lakhs in 5th class. Let us revise them. Okay, let's revise activity 1. There is part 1 has a question. The large 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay, and the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, what is 1 lakh? And part 2 is write the number in factor. Okay, this is in our write in our notebook. Okay, this is notebook work. Let's see notebook work. There is our notebook work. First question is 23,110, and in factor we write like this. Okay, and next question is 50,544 is answer is like this. Okay, and next question is I am only read question and you see this answer na answer, you learn it. Okay, and write in our notebook 68,305, and 8D question is 79,797, and this question is 1,38,400. Okay, 4,57,708. Okay, this is part 2. Write in our notebook. Okay, now part 3 is write the number name. Now the question is in factor, we writing names. Okay, question first is 27,538. You learn all spelling 100,000, lakhs, crore. And next question is 7,09,123. C is 18,678, and D question is 3,25,000 173.
नंबर सीधी कर दोगे, नंबर सीधी कर दोगे।
चुप हो जाओ. And E question is 54,500. No, 5 only. Okay. And this last F question is 43,725. Okay. And next part is fourth part is write in extended form. Okay. Like this is 43,345. Okay. And you like this, there's 4, and after there is number is, you think this is 0 0 0, and you like this. Okay, like this, and this. Okay, you write like this. Okay friends, question 5 is use this angle, or this angle. Okay, and one example for you. This is so simple part of chapter 1, and part 4 is also simple. This is biggest and this is smallest. Okay, then there is two mouth. There is 2 point like this and this. 2 point of there. Okay, and 1 point is there, means there is 2 point that this is big, and there is 1 point there, means that is small. Okay, and equal, for equal, this is, there is 1 point and 1 point there, 1 point there, it means this is equal. Okay, and part 6 is fill the missing number. There is counting of legs, and 3 word is missing in between. Then we write 3 words in between that is missing. Okay, friends, our 7 part is write the place value of underline digit in each of the following number. Okay, and this is underline, 7 is underline, this place value is 70,000. Okay, and in this question is 9 is underline, and this answer is 90. There is 1 is underline, and you think this is 0, this is 0, and this 3 word is also 0. Then you write only 1 and 0 0 0 and double 0. Okay, you think this is underline, and after verse is 0. Okay, like this. There is 4 is not underline, 90, 9 is underline. Okay, then you write 9 and 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros, because after after 3 digit is 0. Okay, and and like this there is 6 is underlined and this 2 versus 0, then you write 600. And you also like this is ones, tens, 100, this is 100. Okay, then you write 600. There is tens, this is, you think this is underlined, then you write 970 because there is 10th place, this is on 10th place, then you write 70, and this is on 1st place, on then you write only 9. Okay, like this, there is on 1st place, then you write 5. You think this is on 10th place, then you write 50. Okay, and part 8 is right in ascending or ascending order. You do in ये आप अपने आप करो. Okay, this is so simple. And before and part 9 is written in descending order, and you also write in yourself. Okay, our activity 1 last topic is Indian and international place value. Okay, this pink box is Indian place value and this yellow box is international value. In Indian value, you see there is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay, in 10 crore has how many zero? Yes, 8 0. And in crore has yes, 7 zeros. Okay, and you see that Indian value has 4 parts. First is 1. In one part is how many parts? 3 parts. And 1000 part is 2 parts. Lakh part. Third part is how many part of third part? 2 parts. And fourth part has also 2 parts. Okay, only one part have, first part has 3 parts, ones, tens and 100. Okay, now we understand the international value system. There is also parts, 3 parts. In Indian value has 4 parts and international value has only 3 parts. International value 3 parts name is ones, thousands and million. This is international value so different from Indian value. You see ones, tens, 100, and you see 1000 part, ones, 10, no, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, this 10,000 in Indian value as 1000 and 10,000, not 100,000. In international value as 100,000, and international value last part is million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, this is international system have 3 parts and 3 part have 3 parts also. Look at table and avoid. This is so simple. Okay, 100 crore है equal to 100 million. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. Okay. Friends, you like this video? Then we do next chapter, next video on next video. Okay, tata, bye bye.